Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about the importance of vitamin A in pregnancy. If you're going to get pregnant or you know someone, a family member that's going to be pregnant, send them this video, okay? Now, I don't know how long ago, but there was a change in the RDA, the recommended amount of vitamin A in a prenatal. And that now it's 8,000, okay, IUs. But there's a study, I'm going to put a link down below, that talks about the importance of having at least 20 to 25,000 IUs to prevent birth defects. Now, there's three forms of vitamin A, active forms of vitamin A: retinol, retinal, and retinoic acid. If you actually see a prenatal, you'll see usually something called beta-carotene. That is a precursor to the active form, and only a small amount of it is converted, okay? And the reason why they made this change to make it 8,000, which is way too low, is because there's been a lot of toxic effects of vitamin A simply because they were using a synthetic vitamin A. Okay, you never want to take synthetic vitamin A because it's toxic. They weren't using a natural one. So they decided, instead of putting the natural, they decided to put either lower dosages of synthetic or do the precursor, beta-carotene, okay? So that's what happened. So here is some of the birth defects that can occur. Kidney malformation, dysfunctional ureters where you're urinating and the urine backs up through the kidney, valvular problems around the ureters, cleft lip, cleft palate where you have that little non-union of the lip or the bone right on top of the lip there, eye defects. Your brain becomes, a condition where the brain becomes located outside the skull. That's pretty bad. Short or long mandible, that's the overbite and underbite. How many kids have dental arch problems where their bite is not correct? That could be a vitamin A deficiency, so simple to correct by just making sure the mother actually has that vitamin A. So there's two good sources that I would recommend. One would be cod liver oil. Make sure you get the virgin cod liver oil, that's the top of the line. It's expensive, but it's worth it. Or grass-fed liver, okay? You can get it in tablets, or basically just, eat some at least once a week. And that will give you the natural form of vitamin A, because out of all three of these forms, retinoic acid is the most important form in the development of the embryo. That's why you need the vitamin A to be able to provide that raw material. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, if you haven't already subscribed, press this little button down below, okay? Thanks.